Hey guys, I'm back. I'm wanting to do like a classic nude eye, or what I call nude, more like a neutral eye look. It's one of my faves lately, and then I'm going to pair it with a red lip. As you can see, I'm feeling red lately. I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling it. So we're gonna go about it. I'm gonna grab some concealer. Since I'm doing like a neutral eye, I'm not gonna go crazy with the primer and all that stuff. I'm gonna use the NYX eye base. It's honestly, it looks like liquid lipstick to me. I just got it because I actually like the color for both, for either a base or lipstick. You never know. I'm always creative when it comes to this type of stuff because I don't like to buy the same stuff over and over again if it can be used for both things. And I've definitely used liquid lipstick as an eye base before. So be creative, guys. Be resourceful. I don't know if you saw what it looks like because I'm using a zoomed in lens today, thanks to my man who didn't want to find the other lens. But it literally looks like their lipstick. We're gonna roll with it. And because I'm doing neutrals and this is neutral, I'm not really gonna have to start to I'm not gonna be too precise with this look. Just gonna go with the flow. I already did my brows and shaped them, as you can see. And as you can see, this is very like a very nude color, neutral color. You can barely see it on my skin tone. And I always just sort of pat that in there. Now, usually I would put like a layer of translucent powder on this to make sure we can blend very easily. But again, since I'm doing neutral and neutrals barely show up, I'm gonna go right on top of the wet base so it can get very pigmented and tacky for the first color that I start with. And I'm gonna start with a deeper color and then transition my crease or my lid into the lighter neutral color. So of course I'm using my favorite palette, the 350M from Morphe. This will be like the deepest color that I use. But I hate this brush, so it was good to grab the pigment, but I want to blend it a lot, so I'm going to grab a better blending brush. Sort of packing it in there with this brush since it's getting good pigment, and then I'll go back and blend with the other brush. Packing it in means this patting motion. You're packing the pigment into that base. Now personally, I love like a complete nude eye, like what I started with, or like a neutral eye with red the most. Sometimes I will do a vibrant eye and a vibrant lip, but not too often, and that's me. Again, Allure's motto and what we believe in is you define your beauty. You don't have to follow any beauty rules or beauty standards. I know there's a lot of suggestions on, not doing a bright red look on your eye and a lip, but honestly, do whatever you want. I really don't care. We all have our opinions though, so I mean, if you get called looking crazy by somebody, don't be mad. It's just their opinion. That's my opinion. I don't know. People think I look crazy, I'm sure, all the time. But we have one life to live, guys. So do you, boo-boo. As I sip my champagne. Sparkling wine, whatever it is. Alright, so we have that color on and it's pretty well blended out. Now I'm going to take a slightly neutral color and blend it in this way on top of that base, and then we'll cut the crease with the neutral, the lightest neutral eye. So let me see which one I want to go with. I might actually switch palettes too. My other fave, the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know y'all are so tired of me in the same palettes, but again, I do not reinvent the wheel every time I do makeup. I like to use what I know. So the point of a neutral eye for me is really like, it almost matches your skin tone. I don't know, something about it, just, I really love it. It's like you're not wearing anything, but you are. It's just becoming one of my fave looks. Like honestly, I even like this, which is very like subtle, I know. But we'll go a little further. For the lighter color, I am going to use a lighter base so it does show up a little better. So I'm going to use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and it's easier for me to always cut my crease with this because it has just a really good consistency. It's not too thick, not too thin. I don't really know what color this is. I'm sorry, but just go and get you a match done and they'll help you out. I end it right there and sort of fade into the deeper brown. So let me grab my nude. And start packing that on. Now that's actually like really light and I don't want it that light. So I'm gonna go in with a deeper nude and just sort of ombre it out. And honestly, I don't want the cut crease like so hard, so I'm gonna go over that hard line and sort of like smudge it out. So it's more like blended. Alrighty, let's do some liners, some lashes. I'm gonna go off camera and do that and take care of my foundation. I'll come back and handle the lips. That is basically it for the day for me. And I'm glad that you joined me. I hope that I taught you a little something about the nude neutral eye look, which I don't know if I got a close-up of. Well, yeah, if you have any questions, suggestions, leave them down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.